Tourism played a significant role in Rome's economy and cultural life in the 1960s. Visitors from around the world flocked to the city to witness its historical treasures. The Trevi Fountain, a Baroque masterpiece, attracted tourists who participated in the tradition of tossing a coin over their shoulder into the fountain, ensuring a return to Rome. The Spanish Steps, a popular meeting place, offered a picturesque view of the city and became a central point for both locals and tourists. The Vatican City, an independent city-state within Rome, drew countless visitors to St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican museums, home to priceless works of art, including Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling. Rome in 1960 was a city of contrasts, where the ancient and the modern coexisted harmoniously. Its architectural wonders and rich history served as a backdrop to the lives of its residents, who navigated a changing world while holding on to their cultural roots. As tourists explored the timeless beauty of Rome, they became part of a narrative that unfolded against the backdrop of one of the world's most historically significant cities. The atmosphere in St. Peter's Square in 1960 was charged with religious significance. Pilgrims and visitors attended masses celebrated in the open-air setting of the square, and the Pope's addresses resonated through the space during papal audiences. The obelisk, an ancient Egyptian symbol of solar power, became infused with new meaning as a Christian symbol, representing the triumph of the light of Christ over darkness. The year 1960 was also marked by the completion of some renovations and improvements to St. Peter's Square. The square underwent periodic changes and maintenance to preserve its architectural integrity. The colonnade, with its rows of columns, was meticulously maintained, and the square continued to serve as a testament to the enduring power of both faith and art. The Colosseum, in the context of 1960, was not merely a historical relic, but a living testament to the endurance of Roman civilization. Its cultural and historical significance drew scholars, artists, and tourists who sought to connect with the ancient world. The Colosseum was not just a symbol of Roman engineering. It embodied the spirit of a society that celebrated entertainment, athleticism, and a sense of grandeur. The triumphal Arch of Constantine, situated near the Colosseum in Rome, is a monumental structure that commemorates the victory of Emperor Constantine I in the Battle of Milvian Bridge in 312 AD. Although the arch was constructed in the early 4th century, by the year 1960, it continued to stand as a prominent symbol of both imperial power and the triumph of Christianity. The scenes depicted on the arch showcase detailed reliefs portraying various episodes from earlier imperial monuments, emphasizing the military achievements of Emperor Trajan, Hadrian, and Marcus Aurelius. The scenes culminate in depictions of Constantine's victory, with Christian symbolism subtly interwoven.